good afternoon. My name is Yvonne, and thank you for signing up to use our free online platform for ordering of pharmaceutical medications, generics, brands, over the counter, you name it, it's on the platform. Today I would like to show you what we call our home page. So if you could please, if you haven't already, click the little button to agree to the terms and conditions, and that will bring you to the screen. By the way, you're going to log in with your DEA and your password. The screen will look just like this. At the very top of the page, it says enter NDC or product name, strength, dosage form, or manufacturer. So we're going to go ahead and choose gabapentin today just because I know it's nice and easy to spell, and I'll be able to pull it up very quickly. It'll give you the search results. Now you could use NDC if you need to be NDC specific, or you simply can click on one, click here and hit go. Now the prices on the home page will be listed for you from lowest to highest. So starting at the left of the page, there is a nice picture of the product to make sure you're ordering the right medication, followed by the NDC, your strength, and your pack size. It also gives you your dosage form and the expiration date. Extremely important. If it's highlighted in orange, it means it's a short-dated product. And when we say short-dated, we mean anything that will expire in under 1 year. So if you see it in orange, it's a short-dated product. If it's empty, just the absolute opposite. It means it will not expire for at least 1 entire year. Now, it does give you the name of the source. If you see an A, it means they're an accredited drug distributor. You do have your unit price, which is your price per dosage, the price you're going to pay, the spread. If you click on the little dollar sign, it'll give you that information, followed by the quantity. Very important. Just by putting an item in the cart does not remove it from inventory. So if you see a very low quantity like 19, you may want to place your order as soon as possible. You also have your info, and this is your shipping info. Each supplier has their own terms, their own conditions, and minimum amounts. So if you want to know that information, all you have to do is click here when you're in the shopping cart, and it'll tell you the cutoff time, what you would need to reach to have ground delivery, and this means that you would have to reach a total of 150. If you did not, they're going to give you the option to pay for shipping and handling. You also see that second day is a different total, as well as overnight. All you do is place however many you want, click add, and it goes to the checkout cart at the top of the page, and right there you can see the items in the cart. All right, so that is how you search. Now if you click on the home tab, this is the top trending items divided up into different categories. So if you're wondering what your fellow peers are finding value in, that information is right here. So you see the top generic right now is the albuterol sulfate, going for $11.19. You can check to see what the top brand is, the top injectable, your over-the-counter, your short dates, or when you start purchasing, your top purchase NDC will be on here as well. These categories at the top change periodically. Okay, so that's the home tab. Managed purchase is simply that. Once you place an order, all your information will be stored here on this page. The very top of the page gives you your purchase history. So say you're wondering when the last time you purchased a certain product or a certain supply from a certain supplier, you would type in the supplier's name and hit search. If it's a product ID, you type in the NDC or the product name. This is a very, very helpful tool that you'll find for checking to see what you have purchased in the past. Now, speaking of purchasing in the past, if you have an audit from CVS Caremark or Optum, please send it to audits@PrimeRxMarket.io, and we'll go ahead and pull that information for you. You could see the supplier information is right here. So this tells me that I placed my last order on 11/29 with real value. The cutoff time was 7 o'clock. The status changed here, and the total order was right here. If you want to see more information, simply open it up. It'll tell you the items that you purchased and how much they cost. All right. Manage account is simply that. It's how you're going to manage your account. Say your licenses are fixing to expire at the end of the month. You'll be able to come here, choose your file, and download it right here on the home page, okay? You can download your DEA, your state pharmacy license, your NPI, or your sales tax certificate, and even your global location information number as well. If you want to change your password, you're going to go ahead and put your current password here, put your new password in here, verify it, and click save, and your new password will be saved for you instantaneously. So as soon as you do it, it'll be changed. Sources information gives you two options. This is an up-to-date listing of every single supplier we have on the platform. Not necessarily every supplier is available to you, and I'll show you that information in a second. You have your source information, the cutoff time, their catalog, shipping minimums, like I said, what you would need to reach for free shipping, or here, what you would need to pay. They also tell you who the carrier is, very important information, especially if you live in a rural area and your carrier only comes once a week. So if your rural area carrier only comes on Saturdays and you place your order on Monday for overnight delivery, don't forget, the carrier is going to bring it to you on Saturday, okay? But if it's truly a carrier that comes every day, if you place it overnight, you'll have it overnight, except on your very first order. It takes 24 to 48 hours to set that up. You do have your credit terms, followed by the accepted payment method. So this is a nice page. I always highly recommend that you take this page and print it and keep it next to your ordering station, and then maybe take a yellow marker and highlight your suppliers. Speaking of your suppliers, here is that information right here underneath Manage Suppliers. Once you go ahead and sign up to use a platform, it's going to weed through all the suppliers and only set up the ones that are authorized to ship to you. If it says complete, the supplier will go ahead and let you place an order. However, they may want a payment form after posting the order, and an email will be sent. All right, your account representative will go over all of that information with you as well. Categories shows you some of the items that are available on the platform. We have brands, controls, diabetic supplies, flu meds, over-the-counter, other, PPE, COVID-19. Just type in what you're looking for and it'll come up. If we hit go, and if we have it, it'll come up for you. You do not necessarily have to go to the categories tab. Tools. Tools is going to give you auto reshop and an up-to-date listing of all products on the FDA drug shortage list. Remember, these products go fast because everybody's looking for them. At the very top of the page, we give you today's deals, trending, short dates, and brands. These are all catalogs. These catalogs are sorted by frequency of purchase. Today's deals are items that are 50% less, the highest price ever posted. But wait till you see what I'm going to show you. They are sorted by frequency of purchase. Click on this. When's the last time you ever got this product for 25 cents? I bet you not in a long time. All right, so just keep in mind that these products go very quickly, and although the product is low, very low amount, you would still need to reach your minimum. All of the catalogs do the same thing. Trending is what your fellow peers are purchasing the most of within the last 7 days, and this too will be sorted the same way by frequency. Click on price and it'll sort it by price for you. You also have short dates, which works the same way, and brands. Just wanted to show you a little extra incentive here for a nice feature we have. Say you search your brands but WAC minus 2% or WAC minus 3%, just type that in there, click it apply, and it'll show you WAC minus 3% or better. Now we also have the multi-search tool, and this is where you can take up 125 items and search them very quickly by scanning the UPC code, typing in the NDC, or the quickest and fastest way will be your Excel upload. This takes a little bit of time to explode, so we will do another segment on the multi-search tool. Now remember that you always have at the bottom of the page where you can click on the little bubble, and that is our chat feature. Our chat feature is available Monday through Friday from 8:30 to 5, and that is Eastern Time. Now, I also would like to speak to you about the cutoff times. Please do not wait to the last minute to place an order. Place your order at least 15 to 20 minutes ahead of time, because at the time you are placing your order, all of our suppliers are out in the warehouse preparing orders, and we just want to make sure that you get your order in time. Once again, my name is Yvonne. Thank you so much for taking time with me today, and I look forward to our next feature. Have a good afternoon.